saying, do you know Richard?
Yeah.
He's still got the trophy. Even when I gave it him.
Bitch.
I know, I was like, David's not even had it. Chloe, we did a big picture of him.
Oh my god, no. I'm sitting down and looking upstairs.
Will you tidy my room? I'll tell you where everything goes.
No thanks.
Please, I always help you. I came round yesterday so you won't be lonely. And my legs hurt. Do you know that Erin?
What a bitch.
It's not tidying itself.
I know. My room sometimes does. Not very often though.
Well, I got the new one myself.
Yeah, I think it's better than the old one. I reckon the icons look better on that side.
It's dead weird though, because like when you're on webcam, it's down at that corner. Because you're so used to looking at this one, you have to go look at that one.
Yeah. But I don't have a webcam, so.
Evan, will you shut that door?
What
You pig. Like in the bathroom, because it'll blow the wind through. Properly.
It'll burn the wind.
Happy now. Stop slamming doors, you little shit. Why do I have to be...
Actually video.